onto our app of the week, Craig, and CloneNer. Tell me about CloneNer.
I actually had a chat with John at CloneNer. So this is a third-party tool. It's in the marketplace for cloning objects. So key one might be cloning a deal. There's a bunch of these that have been available for a while. I don't think this is particularly new, or it's getting a lot more popular. I just think each episode we might call out something like this that is handy. And this one, you can clone objects, for example, deals. Here's a common scenario. You've got a deal, it gets closed one. You want to create a recurring deal for a year's time or something like that. Just use one of these. Now, you can use workflow actions, but this kind of gives you a bit more advanced functionality. You can do it straight from actually manually, straight on the deal in the right-hand panel, which is, saves you creating workflow or saves you manually copying, but you can do it from workflows as well. They've got a bunch of things. So I'm just calling it out. I think it will work for a number of our clients, and so just something for people to check out if they're interested. I had a good call with John, who's kind of a part of the key team. Yeah, good guy. Looks good.